Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're watching me for the first time, my name is Mariam. If you've been watching me, thank you very much. I really appreciate you for sticking with the family. If you're not subscribed yet, please click on the subscribe button, like and share my video. So in today's video, I'm going to take you through my staycation. Guys, I am shooting this intro like after I've already started my staycation. So I left Maiduguri yesterday and right now I'm in Abuja. I am at a very beautiful apartment known as the Wells Carlton hotels and apartments, I think. So I'm going to show you what the apartment looks like, what my room looks like, what it feels like to stay with them. And I've already made the decision for you. If you want to visit the place after visiting my video, I hope it will be very helpful in deciding whether you should visit or not. But I recommend it. You should visit it. I think hotels should start paying me to make reviews for them and like be telling you guys whether to visit them or not. What did you think? It might be a source of income for me. Maybe I should start that. I'll start checking out hotels for people. And then thinking money. So guys, I'll see you later.
Down.
So we visited Lulu's Kid and decided to eat at Aldo's. If you're not subscribed yet, please click on the subscribe button, like and share my video. Let me show you guys my view from Aldo's. This is my view. Meet my date, my sister Iman, and my daughter Batu. She's a shy one. Yeah. So let's take a look at the view again. So guys, we just finished eating. My stomach is so full, I can hardly breathe. I don't even know what I was eating, what I was thinking eating that much. Oh, I love the place, sure. So after eating, we just arrived at the Wells Carlton apartments. I want to show you guys everything. I want to show you guys what the place looks like, what we are doing, and just everything I can show you guys. So my husband is trying to check our reservation. This is Iman and Batu, of course. I'm trying to show you guys what the reception looks like. It's nice. I'm loving this place. So guys, we have two swimming pools here, like this. The one I just showed you, the first one. We're going to go and look at the second one. I am so much in love with this place. It's so beautiful. So this is what the place upstairs looks like. Let me show you. So there are people in the pool and I don't want to snap them. I love this chair. Just look at me. I'm trying to get beautiful pictures for the gram and then this person decided to spoil my picture. So I decided I don't want to snap a picture anymore and Iman does not want to give me back my phone. So guys, we're going to our room now. I'm going to show you what it looks like. I'm so excited about the room. I hope I don't get disappointed by looking at the pool and everywhere here. I just felt the room is going to look nice. So let's go and see. So guys, we're on our way to the room. I want us to get the first impression together. So this is the room. It looks neat and nice. So let's see what we have. Cute person in the mirror. So this is what it looks like. I love this wardrobe. The TV and so have in here. Oh wow. Oh, this is lovely. Let's see, do we have another surprise here? I'm definitely taking this home. I am taking it home. In Mama's apartment on Sunday, you just know that I'm taking this home. Okay, extra pillow. What else do we have here? So guys, if you want to come to this place, you already know what it looks like. You are welcome. What else? What do they have in here? Sewing kits, shoe shine, and then they have TV remote guide. Semi. I think basically that is it. Let's see the other side. The lamp, I think. Yeah, it's not connected yet. What is this? I don't know. Come in. Gashi abubuwan yan shayin su da yan ruwan su. Okay. Okay. Nothing. Shikana. See if we have a view. Okay, the view is from the pool I showed you guys earlier. You can see the first pool, like going to see a selfie for the gram. Hey, Instagram goes so far. Hey, and then Ghana Casa I already showed you guys. These people will not allow you to rest on Instagram today. So guys, this is basically what the place looks like. It's very, very clean, and I like it here. Kuzo, it's not a free Wi-Fi, but bari magani ko nagaskiya ne koko. Kawai the free Wi-Fi ne a suna. So this is what I took out. Guys, I'm trying this for the first time. I'm not wearing a veil, so I can't show you my face.
Guys, if you know me, you know I hate waiting for my food, and this guy is here making me wait for my food. I am so pissed right now. I am so hungry and I'm very, very angry. Maybe I might reconsider recommending the hotel because of food. Like, I'm so big about my food, so my food should be ready like when I want it. Finally guys, this is what I'm having, but my tea is nowhere to be found. Guys, they brought my coffee. I was so hungry I couldn't even show you guys. So guys, Arif is forcing us to take the stairs because he wants us to count. He's like, Mama, let's count. So I wanted to make a very nice video for you guys, but Arif and his daughter are just making noise. They don't want me to make a video, so bye. So guys, I came to have lunch with the kids at Blue Havana. Right now, Arif is playing. He's having the time of his life. Like, I'm so happy seeing him like listening up and playing with kids. Guys, I am so happy and excited because my food is here. Let me show you. It's looking so beautiful. Let me show you my daughter's food. Iman's food is not here yet. Look at her face. Hi guys. So please, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscribe button. Right now, I brought Arif and Batu to the pool site. They want to swim, so Arif is so happy. He's so happy. Good morning. How's everyone doing? So today is Sunday. I will be on my way to Kaduna a little bit later after Arif and Batu finish their swimming classes. So
I think I'll see you guys at the airport. Oh no, I'll see you guys at the airport. Honestly, I forgot the entire purpose of this clip, but I know I was at the airport and I don't know, maybe we were about to take off. Maybe I was begging you guys to subscribe. Please subscribe. Guys, so I came to Ghana because of the famous advice you all gave me that I'll be very, very good in canning. Maybe I'll sign up. No, but on a serious note, I just came for business and I came to the famous ShopRite to get food. I only pray the food is nice. I had ice cream here. The ice cream is horrible. My mouth is still bitter and it's not even anything that has to do with bitter or whatever. It sucks. I don't know. But hi guys, we're here. Let me show you what the room looks like. Okay. Because I'm staying with he's already shouting, so he's telling you guys I'm staying with him. The room is nice.
This is toilet.
Yeah, tell them this is the toilet.
You see that?
Yeah.
You leg.
They have a
Leg. Mama. 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 Your leg.
You're my leg. I'm sorry.
Mama.
See if we have a view. I don't like this view. It's not fine. Hi guys, how is everyone doing? So I wanted going to Zaria very, very early, but I was told my house is not yet ready for me. It's still dusty, so I would have to wait. So the house is being cleaned and then maybe go a little bit later. So right now all I'm doing is making TikTok videos and Arif is disturbing me in the background. Arif, what is it? Yes, baby. So guys, I couldn't make any outro because we had a mini accident with Arif. Yeah, Fadia buga goshin shi, so we had to rush to the hospital. And then the muka gama the SBT, we were all tired and we went to Zaria. Going to Zaria, I was already exhausted, so I didn't even carry my camera. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my video, Sha. Please, if you're not subscribed to my channel, click on the subscribe button, like and share my video. I love you all. Thank you for watching.